Matsuura are going to be at MACH all week long, but of course they're streaming live to the world on Tuesday morning just after 11. So why should everyone who's visiting MACH visit the Matsuura stand?
Well, hi Lindsay. Well, the main reason is we're launching two new Matsuuras, the MX420 PC10 10 pallet machine and the MAM72 52V PC15 15 pallet machine, which are obviously derivatives of our very successful MX330 10 pallet and the MAM72 35V 32 pallet machine.
Wow, lots to see and launches as well. And you've got stock of your machines as well, which is really exciting.
Absolutely. So as always, we have stock here coming and more coming. So, you know, we have availability of all our lines in a very short lead time.
And there's a bit of 3D printing out there too?
Yes, we've got obviously our new desktop metal. We will be printing live on the stand metal. So again, something else new for everyone to come and see.
Brilliant, cannot wait. So make sure you visit the stand, the Matsuura stand at MACH, and watch Dominic and the team live on Tuesday just after 11 on the MTD CNC channel.